Vim, or VI Improved, is one of the most powerful text editors pre-installed in Linux distributions and macOS alongside with Emacs. Just like Nano, Vim is directly launched from the terminal using the vim command, but unlike Nano, Vim is more complex and requires a little bit more practice. But trust me, it's totally worth it in the long run. So really make sure to follow this lecture step by step, as you might even have a hard time exiting the program if you do a wrong manipulation. The first complexity to get used to with Vim is that it runs on 3 different modes: the interactive mode, the insert mode, and the command mode. The interactive mode is the default mode when launched. It allows you to select line, copy-paste text, navigate through the text, roll back actions, and so on. The insert mode is the one you already know, as it simply allows you to type text. Finally, the command mode allows you to run commands such as saving the current file or quitting the program, for instance. That being said, let's open a new terminal window and run Vim. To enter the insert mode from the default interactive mode, press the I key. As you can see at the bottom of your screen, an insert indication has appeared, which means that you can now type anything you want in a text editor window. To go back from the insert mode to the default interactive mode, all we have to do is press the escape key. From here, you have several options to navigate your text. In insert mode, you can of course use the arrow keys, but the interactive mode offers a few better options. Here's 3 shortcuts to quickly move back and forth in your line. Pressing 0 will move the cursor at the beginning of a line, pressing $, will move the cursor at the end of a line, and pressing W will move the cursor one word at a time. Let's now see how we can save our file. From the interactive mode, press the column symbol to enter the third mode, which is the command mode. As you can see, the cursor has now moved away from the text to appear in the command box at the bottom of the screen. The command to save the file is column W, which is a shorthand for write. If we press enter, Vim will prompt us with the following error, which is due to the fact that we previously launched Vim in the terminal without specifying a file name. To correct this, simply run the same command followed by a file name like this. Vim is finally happy and is confirming that the file has been written correctly by giving us the number of lines and bytes written to the file. Now that we saved our file, all there is left to do is quit Vim using the Q command. Let's now reopen our newly created file by passing it as an argument to the Vim command, press I to enter the insert mode, type in a few random things, press back escape to exit this mode, and try to quit it using the Q command. As you can see, Vim is not very happy, as it is alerting us on the fact that we didn't save our work. From here, we can do 2 things. We can either save and quit using the combination of the command W and the command Q all together like this, or force Vim to quit without saving our changes by adding an exclamation mark symbol to the quit command like so. And that's it for this introduction on Vim. I do realize that this lecture was pre-packed with information, so make sure to replay it for as many times as you need to memorize the different modes Vim runs on, and above all to practice the keys and commands we've just seen together, as they're the base for the next lessons to come.